Mo Salah, Mo Salah, Mo Salah, Mo Salah, running down the wing. Salah, la, 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 the Egyptian king. Well, number one here. Number one ngilana. Ilokhunjana lokuqala. Eleni yokuqala uGert lona igama lami elinye abangibiza ngalo Gert, bangibiza ngalo ngisadlala nenye ikamera bathi Chop. Kanti uSindi nje ngibiza ngoGert. Nasephosa bangibiza ngoGert, nasegroundini bengidlala idisc bangibiza ngoGert. So Gert lo Gert goal. Like Gert goal. Goal Isaac Anthem. So Gert goal number 1 lo. Uye lo Dlushevu kahle kahle. Uye lo ongenayo kulo muzi lo kuthiwa kungenwa kiyo. Uyangena yena uyadla yonke into uzadla ngisho Shevu. Omakhelwane nje yikho bamthatha yena uGert. Wathatha omakhelwane because uyodla uDlushevu wakhona kamakhelwane. Number 1 ke lo. Number 2 uChedu. Chedu ngoba ufuna isiyingi udayi. He went in head first on some game, never thinking about what I said head in what verse. My mom probably got it the worst, but as stubborn as we are, wondering if I take it too far. It's him who start with Gomela ke busy nelokhunzane zakhe nama cribs, welcoming cribs. Ufuna isiyingi udayi Chedu comes from Uqash wavela negama likaChedu. So Chedu ke the same would be ready when it comes to a disc ukuthi ngibithize ground in him will be ready to play because he went head first. Uye lo wathatha igame yakwaDlame uChedu noCamu uye wathatha kaCamu wambamba ngamawashi. Camu uyamazi ukuthi unodumo olude kanjani uCamu lokubhonyana. So uChedu wambamba ngamawashi ngoCamu wathi hayi awuzongibhonya nsizwa. Asibheke wesithathu uBande has a history with Lempandane. La behamba khona koJino beshintsha ama-bets Bournemouth to Brighton. Bournemouth to Brighton. Kudlalwa kwiNaomi. Zonke izinto ezikhala kahle nje lapha zikhona for ujikeleza. And he also has love on goats, like he knows about how to tell Maxine, uyakwazi ukulusa, ukwazi zonke izinto zasendlini zasekhaya. uBande ke lo wadrop iGenoa kwiLempandane. Zibhema lapha no Duhu. Wadrop iGenoa kwiLempandane. Sibheke S4 Malaxi inkabi kaMlomo umzwa Malaxi alizwa nje negama lakhona Malaxi esiyingi isent. Malaxi umthole ebhizi noma qhakovana Dabu ngidi gadla uyangena naye kuba ngidi gadla konsibalanga yomshini konsibalanga yensimbi. So Malaxi ke intwana kaX le engangeni kuloya muzi ayingeni nakuloya muzi because ayifuni ukwenza lamaphutha lawa yenziwa uGert baze bamnika igama lakho ukuze kumagogo wakomunye umuzi ugogo wakomunye sekubiza ngegama yana nje lingasi Thabo ngathi makhelwane sekubiza ngoThabo ngoba kwenze njani. Ileyo indaba kaMalaxi kangeni kuloya muzi yena because ubalekela lo ukuthi bazombiza ngeni amagama soft. Igcine seshintshe izinto zakhe ayenzayo. Uthi omakhelwane kangeni kibo iTabu and ubhizi ungaphezulu kaMlomo uMalaxi ungaphezulu kaMlomo uyena uphezulu ophethe kwesikamlomo. Sike sihambe ku number 5 Number 5 uThibos. Thibos is a boss like alien. Number 5 uThibos. Tabafe boko Thibos, abafo Thibos. Thibos, abafo Thibos. Abafo Thibos. Thibos is a boss like alien. Thibos uma abambele. It's a boss like alien uma abambele. So that's the one edumile kule alien kule omniverse le. Thibos, because uyabambele uyaphakamisela ubambide ephakamisayo ecawuma. He's proactive. Ile into yenza ube uyedumile. Number 5 proactive. Thibos. Number 6 uSphindla Phindla. Number 6 uSphindla Phindla. Le inkabi esisebenze nayo isikhathi eside kakhulu njengoba ubona nje Sphindla Phila Phinda. Yiso yangena nje kiyo like straight Sphindla Phinda. Sphindla usebenze nayo koSiyela Qhuzu, sebenza nayo koBhawudi Stompi. Sphindla is partly uSithabathaba. Sphindla ile nkabi engakhandela igoqo manje, ikhandela igoqo libe into straight. Nkabi kwazi ukukhanda igoqo ehlala nojikeleza ke then iyayibambe yakhe zakhe Sphindla ngeke kubhekele phansi. Number 7 uKawpi uye wadila indaba yekhavela, wadayisa ikhavela uKawpi wayidayisa ikhavela avezela iso lemamba ngqo. Iso lemamba ekuvezela isiyingi sakhona intsemansema. The insecure point can show you the insecure point. The insecure point yesiyenza amansema ekhombisa yona Kawpi. Number 7 isiyingi sa intaba omhlophe ikakalele intsemansema akhombisa isiyingi senza amansema ngqo. Kube sengathi seziyabaleka iso lemamba ivezela iso lemamba. uKawpi ekuthathela ijoint nomapapa, ekujointela nomapapa wayeshaya noBoni lokhuzana ijoint lakhona. uKawpi wayehamba noBoni ekuveza lelo ihlo lemamba, ehamba noBoni. Siqhubeke siye number 8 Wole Juza uyena waphuma Thobelelani, between Thembelelani and Thobelelani. Choose Thobelelani. We've jointed with Thobani, Josie Jabulani. We've been jointed with Thobani. Eli prove kaWole Ju i-joint lelo. uWole Ju uyachawula Cribs, Snizitez Debbie, chawula uDebbie ehlathini. Chawula uTsepo, chawula uFanile. That I'll always remember you, Tony Stark. uWole Ju uye lo dlala indaba zama Avengers nani. That I'll always remember you, Tony Stark. Bemchawule ehlathini. Ama-comics. Wole Ju is a comic book. He's a comic book character. Wole Ju number 8. Comic book character number 8. Number 8. Sekusele 9 no-10. Ayikho lento esenzayo le Ben 10. Sele 9 no-10. 9 no-10. Number 9 uSjebha. Sjebha drops on gags, ama-Uzis. Like basically angena for an ad, a gag. Indlela Mpilonde. uNkulunkulu ambusise uSjebha uyongena welcoming Cribs. Sjebha Mpilonde welcoming Cribs. Number 9 . number 9. Then finally number 10 sesidlula noBoy Fisa la usifaka soncedo. Finally number 10 Thibela. Number 10 Thibela, long distance relationship with God. Basically angithi uyena oke wacabanga ukuhlanganisa ukuba incosi le Cheese Boy. He's all about being with Cheese Boy Thibela. Thibus now Thibela. He's all about being with Cheese Boy. Umthole Jabulani, umthola le Jabulani Brome noMakhanda. Yeah, so relax Jabulani, relax noMakhanda. Kom tips, ushaya iMabuli, long distance relationship with God, ulala iMabuli. And he has some of Polo's bars. He pathway portfolio. So basically uThibela yena number 10 izinto zakhe uzibhekele Jabulani. But usazovela naye ehle emanseleni, usazoyenza amatsema. Maseyenza amatsema, watch out for uThibela maseyenza amatsema izinto zingabe seziphakama kakhulu. Since number 10 kuzomenza kube famous, it's the last alien. So uThibela sombona yena kuphi enza amatsema soon. So yeah, let me see you go lo 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 Bugayo, let me Bugayo.